Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be checking out some of the best mechanics tool sets for under $100. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be checking out some of the best mechanics tool sets for under $100. Alright, so I'm going to go through each of these sets. I'm just going to go through in alphabetical order and go through the pieces, show you what the different pieces are that you're going to get with each of these sets. I'll start with the Craftsman 206-piece mechanics tool set, and the price on that is $99.98. Go ahead and open this up. And there is the complete set. There are 65 standard sockets, and those are divided between standard and metric, and they are in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. There are 31 deep well sockets. And those are in 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive. There are 17 nut driver bits. There are 16 hex keys. Some over here, some over there. There are 10 combination wrenches. There are a couple of skips here on the metric. And some skips on the standard as well, but you got a decent set of combination wrenches. You got 3 ratchets, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. And those are 72 tooth ratchets. There are 4 extensions. There is a 3-inch extension, that's a 1/4 inch drive. And then there's a 3 and a 6-inch extension, and those are 3/8 drive. And then there's a 3-inch extension that's a 1/2 inch drive. So you've got a little nice set there of extensions. There are 2 spark plug sockets. There is 1 adapter, 1 universal joint, and 1 bit driver, and 55 specialty bits. And I actually find that these are just kind of fillers. It's not something that I feel is important to include in these cases, but I think it brings up their total piece count, and that's why they do that. And so there you go. That is the Craftsman 206-piece mechanics tool set. Next we have the Husky 270-piece mechanics tool set. And this one is $99. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Comes in a plastic storage box with drawers for the 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive sockets. Cut the strap off here. And now we'll go ahead and take a look and see what you get inside here. So there are your 1/4 inch bits. And you got your 1/4" drive, and there's a bit driver, and all of these specialty tools. Again, it's just extra pieces that aren't necessary. Yeah, so they include 84 screwdriver bits, and then that magnetic bit driver. Just way too many of those specialty bits. Nut driver bits, there are 12 of those. And then again, a bunch of sockets. We'll look at the 3/8. You got your sockets up here. You've got 40 hex keys. And this is the 3/8 drive ratchet. And these ratchets are 72 tooth ratchets. Don't like the way these drawers open and close. And then here's your 1/2" set. And then it also comes with 8 combination wrenches. And so there you go. That is the Husky 270-piece mechanics tool set. And next we have the Cobalt 277-piece mechanics tool set. This one is available at Lowe's for $99. So we'll go ahead and open this one up. Alright, so that's kind of similar to the Husky. It's got a couple of drawers, but it also has a lid that flips open. So we'll go ahead and take a look here at all these. So you've got sockets down here. Got some standards and some deep wells. Now these actually are not divided by drive like the other. So you've got these don't really pull out either, so not very convenient. Alright, this drawer, we've got some more sockets in here. Then open this up. Oh, we had some fall out of the lid already. And you've got 3 ratchets. They are 90 tooth. There's a 1/4, a 3/8, and a 1/2. You've got your hex keys up here. A lot of those. A lot of specialty bits. And you've got a bit driver. Some extensions. You got 3 extensions. And you've got 8 combination wrenches. I just don't like the drawers on this case. And they're not organized like the Husky, where they inside very well. So there is the Cobalt 277 piece mechanics tool set. And this is the Pittsburgh 225 piece mechanics tool set. Go ahead and open this up. I like the look of the case, and I like that it says this side up. We'll go ahead and get this open. And there is the complete set. I think this probably has the most usable tools in here. You've got these nice heavy feeling ratchets, although that has weird, I don't know if it's supposed to have that. Oh, it's just the oil. Okay. It's a little strange that there's oil coming out of that, but you've got 3 ratchets. Everything's marked on here on the case too. You've got the 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drive. You've got all your sockets, deep wells, you've got standards, you've got the 1/4 inch drives up here. You've got your 1/4 inch drives here, so it's nicely divided, you know, organized very well in here. You've got a couple of adapters, you've got some extensions, you've got 3 universal joints. You've got 2 spark plug sockets. And of course your bit driver. And then it has a long nose pliers, and it has a diagonal cutter and an adjustable wrench. That's nice to have some of these additional tools in here. And then you've got your combination wrenches. And they do have a lifetime warranty on these. Now the price on this set is $149.99. However, they are going to be on sale, Black Friday sale, $99.99. Inside Track members will get that price starting Monday, November 20th. And then everyone else will get the Black Friday sale starting on Thursday, November 23rd. So the 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th. Everyone can get this particular set for $99.99. And so there is the Pittsburgh 225 piece mechanics tool set. And finally, we have the Stanley 145 piece mechanics tool set. This was available at Home Depot for $71.97. Now they did have a 201 piece mechanics tool set available for $84.97. However, at the time that I ordered these tool sets, that particular set was out of stock. So I did get the smaller 145 piece set. So we'll go ahead and open this up and take a look. Again, looks like you got some pieces that fell out of the case, but that is the complete set. And so there is the complete set. I'm actually not a fan of the way this case is. I mean, granted, it's just a cheap plastic case, but you know, the tool's falling out. Kind of sucks if you're trying to stay organized and you've got pieces coming out of the case. But here are your sockets down here. You've got a couple of extensions, and then again some more. You got your got your hex keys, your nut drivers, specialty bits. And there's your nut driver, and then you've got 8 combination wrenches. So that is the Stanley 145 piece mechanics tool set. And of all the tool sets we looked at, I think the 3 best tool sets out of all these, you know, my wife likes the organization of the Husky tool set, and she found that to be very practical and useful, and does prefer that one because of that organization. I actually prefer Craftsman tools. Personally, I have had those as long as I can remember. You know, my grandpa had Craftsman tools. I bought Craftsman tools in the 90s when I was getting started, and so I've always had Craftsman tools, so I do have a preference to those. However, out of all of these sets, I think the best bargain of all of these tool sets is going to be the Pittsburgh set from Harbor Freight. And I know that the regular price on these Pittsburghs are $149.99. However, they always have coupons available. They have different pricing for inside track members from time to time. So, you know, the regular price on it, not really something I would consider. And we've got Black Friday coming up, and so it is going to be $99 for that period of time for Black Friday. So really, I think the Pittsburgh tools, they are going to give you the best bang for your buck. You know, they're the best deal out there. And I think it just gives you the best variety of wrenches and sockets and other tools. So if I were just getting started as a home mechanic or getting this as a gift for someone, I would consider this the best deal out there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.